Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Monday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. It's been a quiet start to the day. Temperatures have been in the 30s and 40s. We do have a little bit of cloud cover out there, but most of the moisture and the rainfall, that's in Missouri. We have some dry air working for us, so we're not going to see any rain today. I think by the afternoon we'll start to lose some of that cloud cover. But we're keeping an eye on our next system that's developing out in the Pacific Northwest with the dip in the lines there. That system is going to swing across. It'll develop a surface low pressure system, and that's going to move into the Midwest by tomorrow, and we'll see the chance for some strong to severe storms. So it's quiet today with partly cloudy skies. We're all the way into the orange category for Threat Tracker tomorrow, so a pretty good chance for severe weather, especially in the evening and overnight hours. Then by Wednesday, we'll have to see on the timing with the severe weather, but I think for the most part we'll avoid much of that as the cold front will clear the area. Today, though, temperatures will get back to the low and mid 60s, cooler than what we had yesterday, still slightly above normal. And again, it's looking partly cloudy with less of a wind, 5 to 15 miles per hour from the west. Then for tonight, it's mostly clear with clouds increasing late. We'll see our low temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. And here's that severe risk for tomorrow. Level 3 out of 5 there in the orange for our western counties and for much of the western side of the state. The yellow, that's the level 2 out of 5, a slight risk for severe weather. But any storms that develop, especially initially, will have the capability to produce tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind gusts. We're going to have a very strong cap in place, and that means that there's some stable air above the surface. It'll be very hard to get the storms going, especially through the afternoon. But then closer to sunset, we erode that cap away. You see the storms starting to pop up. Again, very strong initially. And then later on in the night, the cold front will develop more so a line of showers and storms, and that will pose mainly a damaging wind threat, but also you could see some tornadoes within that line and maybe some pockets of large hail. And that's what we'll see mainly here in eastern Iowa through the overnight hours. So here's what future track looks like throughout the morning hours of Tuesday. We're going to see a lot of cloud cover, possibly even some drizzle and fog north of that warm front, and thanks to some pretty strong southerly winds. But you see through the afternoon, still pretty calm out there. That warm front will lift through. We erode that cap away, so by about 6 or 7 o'clock, maybe a few of these supercells developing. And again, they're going to be pretty strong if they do bust through that cap. All modes of severe weather possible. They will be moving very, very fast thanks to the general wind field. And with the wind shear that we have in place, those could stay on the ground for quite some time. Those will push off to the northeast and could impact parts of our viewing area. But again, our main thing that we'll see here in eastern Iowa will be this line of showers and storms popping off of that cold front, which will weaken as it moves from west to east. But that severe threat still remains a possibility through the overnight hours. We'll switch sources here, a different model, so to speak. But you see that line pushing through by about 3 a.m. on Wednesday morning. And then from there, just a few lingering showers and storms throughout the morning hours of Wednesday. Cold front should clear the area, and so the severe threat for Wednesday afternoon, that should be well off to our east. Temperatures will fall, though, throughout the day on Wednesday, and that's after we see highs in about the mid to upper 60s for the day on Tuesday. That comes with a bit of humidity as well, setting the stage for those storms. And after that, an extended period of cool weather. Highs are back down to the 40s for Thursday and Friday, even for the weekend. And for parts of next week as well, lows will be in the upper 20s and low 30s. We're going to be dry to close out the week. Saturday, partly cloudy, but then on Easter Sunday, chance for some rain and snow.